मैं मिथिलेश कुमार पांडे। मेरे मन में ये बहुत दिनों से ख्याल था कि देश के जो युवा अधिवक्ता हैं, जो बलिया, बनारस, छपरा, पंजाब, यूपी, बिहार, बंगाल के दूर दराज एरिया के जो लॉ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जिन्हें सुप्रीम कोर्ट आने का मौका नहीं मिलता है, जिन्हें सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश से मिलने का मौका नहीं मिलता है, जिनके पास कोई प्रेरणा का स्रोत नहीं है, उनके लिए मैं मिथिलेश कुमार पांडे स्थापना किया हूँ लॉ लर्निंग बेंच का। लॉ लर्निंग बेंच में हमारे सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कई रिटायर्ड जजेस, हाई कोर्ट के रिटायर्ड जजेस, कई गणमान्य सीनियर अधिवक्ता जुड़ रहे हैं। आप भी जुड़ेंगे क्योंकि आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं लॉ लर्निंग बेंच। आप लॉ लर्निंग बेंच से बने रहिए, आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट के तमाम मुख्य न्यायाधीश और हाई कोर्ट के मुख्य न्यायाधीश से मिलने का मौका मिलेगा। आज मैं चर्चा करूंगा 37वें मुख्य न्यायाधीश K.G. बालाकृष्णन जी का, जो एक गरीब और दलित परिवार में 12 मई 1945 को पैदा हुए थे और बहुत ही संघर्ष करके एक गरीब परिवार से में रहते हुए उन्होंने महाराजा लॉ कॉलेज से उन्होंने कानून की डिग्री पूरी की और सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में वो 10 साल तक न्यायाधीश रहे और 3 साल मुख्य न्यायाधीश रहे। मुझे उनसे जब मैं मिला तो एक बात मेरे स्मरण में आता है। उनके कहे के अनुसार उनका मतलब ये था कि अगर आपको अपना काम करने आता है ना, अगर आपको एडवोकेसी आती है ना, तो आपको बिल्कुल किसी भी चीज़ की फिक्र करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बिकॉज उसके बाद सिर्फ वक्त की बात होती है, उसके बाद लोग आपको पहचानेंगे ज़रूर। अगर आपको एडवोकेसी आ गई लॉ लर्निंग बेंच से तो ज़रूर लोग आपको पहचानेंगे। आज नहीं तो कल पहचानेंगे, परसों पहचानेंगे, लेकिन पहचानेंगे ज़रूर। सीखने की भूख ही आपको आपकी मंजिल तक पहुँचाएगी। मेरे युवा साथियों, सक्सेस की जी सबसे खास बात है ये है कि वो मेहनत करने वालों पर सक्सेस फिदा हो जाती है। आज देश की सबसे सर्वोच्च सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया की मैं बात करूंगा, जिसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ये वो चौखट है जहां लोग अपनी अंतिम फरियाद लेकर आते हैं और आपके जैसे जो युवा साथी हैं, जो एडवोकेट हैं, जिन्होंने कोर्ट क्राफ्ट पढ़ा है, जो प्लीडिंग जानते हैं, उनके सहायता से उनको न्याय मिलता है। आपको लगता होगा कि देश के मुख्य न्यायाधीश, फॉर्मर मुख्य न्यायाधीश से मिलना एक बड़ी बात है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आपको लगता होगा क्या हम चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया से मिल सकते हैं? बिल्कुल मिल सकते हैं। आइए आज मैं लेकर चलता हूं आपको फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया और ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन के चेयरमैन रहे K.G. बालाकृष्णन जी के घर पर, और आप K.G. बालाकृष्णन जी के मुंह से सुनिए, उनके खुद के शब्दों में सुनिए कि कैसे उन्होंने सफलता का पायदान पार करते हुए चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया बने। वो आपको सिखाएंगे एडवोकेसी का स्किल्स, प्लीडिंग और कोर्ट क्राफ्ट।
And sir, my office, this law learning bench, prepared some questions for you, sir. While your lordship may have faced several hurdles due to the then prevalent inequality at your time, due to inequalities, it never formed the basis of my lordship decision. From choosing as a law as a career to practicing in the civil courts of Ernakulam, you have started, sir.
Aye, sir.
Ernakulam. To leaving government job for practicing before the Honorable Kerala High Court. Your Lordship have defied all odds, and then perhaps your Lordship decided to leave your practice for the most honorary office of the Honorable Supreme Court, and it will bring a proud to your community, also to the entire India. Your Lordship lies a selfless record of pure humanism. Sir, everybody impressed by your, sir, each and every step, sir. So it is often said that judge speaks thou a law, but your Lordship's reformative initiative as the chairman of Human Rights Commission, away from the limelight, have spoken under the then words. My Lordship have used the power only for the upliftment of the weaker section of the society. My Lordship, your life is a true inspiration for all of us. It is for our actions and not made words. So now I want to put up some questions, sir. My first question, sir. My Lordship, you have always been instrumental in promoting equality in education in India. You made the midday meal scheme mandatory, thereby eliminating the lives of millions of the poor children. This is your judgment, I think.
Myself and Justice Kripal. Kripal is a Delhi judge So he has got the power and capacity. You have appeared before Kabal.
Yeah, 2-3 times, sir.
Oh, he's a very powerful judge.
Very powerful judge.
Very powerful judge. Oh, the CNG and midday meal, both were during our time.
CNG also.
Yes, CNG in Delhi, because then the government said that we don't have sufficient CNG available to give. To
Justice I appeared 2-3 times before
then we called for all the entire production, distribution and all. Then we came to know that the CNG was distributed to private firms on subsidized rate.
Then only, yes, sir. Sir, often we see a vast difference in curriculum followed by law school. My law student wants to know from my lordship that we often see a vast difference in curriculum followed by law school across the country. In many law schools, there are no classes. In law schools of the remote area of Bihar, in Karnataka, in Kerala, in the village, there are some certain law schools which are not well equipped with infrastructure like moot court and other things. The students start reading bare act during their practice. Sir, my lordship, do you think these poses a serious threat to the legal system? What measure do you think should be taken to tackle these challenges?
The Bar Council has given permission to many
Bar Council of India gave permission.
Permission to start colleges in many village areas and all. Earlier in our state, there was only 2 colleges. Then it became 3 colleges. Now 4 government colleges. Now Urli, Calicut, Trichur, Ernakulam and Trivandrum. But numerous colleges are in various places. Law colleges. So I asked, how do you find the teachers for these colleges? Who are teaching?
Sir, earlier you have suggested on some platform a common school system, sir. I read somewhere during the research.
Not possible. But there should be at least good. There are, I don't think that they have got enough good teachers in these law schools. Near my house, about 20 kilometers away, there is a law school.
Yes, sir. And sir, what are the standards of professionals and ethics that are expected from young lawyers, especially who are from middle income group or lower income group? And what role can a law school play in developing these ethics?
Only in law schools they should know the ethical standards. I studied in Ernakulam Law College. Now the Ernakulam Law College is going to have some celebrations next week. They call me. The principal is known to me. She calls me that I should come. I think he has made me as patron and all. So I had to go one day at least.
Yes, sir.
At least I had to go one day.
सर ये हमारा सर ये लॉ लर्निंग स्कूल है सर, लॉ लर्निंग बेंच. तो लॉ लर्निंग बेंच में ऑल आर फर्स्ट जनरेशन लॉयर्स. दे डोंट नो द कोर्ट क्राफ्ट, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू इम्प्रेस और इन्फ्लुएंस द जज, हाउ दे स्टार्ट देयर ओपनिंग आर्गुमेंट to convince the court, because when senior advocate appears before my lordship.
2 days back, there was a judge by name Bakharuddin in Kerala. One girl appeared before him, and she said, I cannot argue, my senior is not present, kindly adjourn. Judge did not agree. Judge asked her to argue the matter. So then he started crying in the court.
My God.
My God. Then it has become a big issue. The Bar Association, they wanted an apology from the judge. They made a complaint to the Chief Justice. Then the Bar Association members and the judge.
Because seniors not allowed their junior to argue in the court. Seniors never instructed.
I used to say, this is the best opportunity. Senior is not.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
argue. You argue. If you don't win the case, we'll manage. If you are going to win, why not? You argue the case.
So give me some tips for young lawyers, sir.
That is tips.
How they can survive in this struggling world of lawyers, sir? There are so many senior advocates.
I went to Dubai 2-3 weeks back. There is a college, a franchisee of this Noida College in Dubai, Amity.
Amity, they have college in Dubai also.
Dubai. So judicial training and legal learning, judicial training, they conducted seminar. I went there. Then I told, in now, during our time, the girls were out of 60%, only 4-5 girls were there. Now in almost all the colleges, more than the male students, the girl students. So I said, regarding the appointment of legal law clerks and all, 50% should be reserved for girls. Otherwise, they don't have other opportunity. Males, at least they will get a senior. To get a senior is not that easy. But female, they have to be choosy. They have to select only
Female advocates, yes.
female advocates. Lot of difficult. First generation girls find it extremely difficult to survive.
Very difficult to survive.
Survive in the profession, and of course, not like old time. Now there are banks, cooperative societies, these private enterprises you can join. They can in the academic world. All these branches are open, and in foreign countries also there are openings.
Oh.
So when I went to Canada, there is a college by name Dalhousie College.
Dalhousie College.
Dalhousie. Our same Dalhousie.
Here also, India also.
Same Dalhousie was so to be impeached at the last stage. So then he left India. So in his
Lord Dalhousie.
Lord Dalhousie, his name. The one professor was my law clerk.
Your law clerk is professor in that Dalhousie College, Canada.
Dalhousie College. She's so part. This Lucknow. I forgot her name. She was she came to know I was there, so she came. So that opportunities are there. Wide range of opportunities are there. But even then, girls find it difficult to not compared to youngsters. Of course, in the legal profession, because in India, large number of lawyers are enrolled, so the opportunities are less.
And clients doesn't want to believe on the junior lawyer. They have more faith in senior lawyer.
Naturally.
But all the arguments of the senior advocate based on the briefing of the junior lawyer. So grassroots पे जो मेहनत करते हैं, they are the junior lawyers. But ultimately, sir, when my lordship is the Chief Justice of India, at that time scenario is something different. At that time, I also used to appear before my lordship, many my colleagues. But आपके सामने appear होने में कभी डरते नहीं थे, because you always encourage the junior lawyers. At least you have हमेशा 2 मिनट 3 मिनट 2 लाइन 3 लाइन अपने बोलने का opportunity दिया. Now today, when a senior lawyer from either from Kerala or Tamil Nadu or Karnataka from remote village, when they come with not good dress or not well uniformed, and when they appear before the court, just heard and dismissed. They don't even have opportunity to mention the court their problem, their difficulties, and there are some privileges for senior lawyers, no doubt. तो अभी सर सिस्टम आपके सामने बिल्कुल अलग था.
Large number of lawyers are made seniors.
Yes,
both in Delhi High Court and in Supreme Court.
हाँ. Flooded with the senior lawyers.
Yes.
All Supreme Court there, even sir NCLT also, NCLAT also. They are very small space for and the juniors पास client भी नहीं होते. अभी मैं राम जेठमलानी साहब से एक बार मिला.
In our time, I must have made only 10 or 12. All of them, this Vishwanathan was made senior, this Narasimham was made senior, then all were made, they all became, directly became Supreme Court judges. Indu Malhotra Malhotra was made senior because after Leela Seth, nobody was senior. Some Elizabeth Alexandra was, there are only one woman senior. Thereafter, for 20 years, no seniors in the Supreme Court.
All are limited to judges.
All are male. So then I told my colleagues, so this is what, this is, somebody should come from the feather. So Indu Malhotra had some cases of some courts and all. So I suggested her name and she became the senior. That paved the way for her to become a judge of the Supreme Court.
So, sir, we are planning to, with support of my lordships and Mr. Singhvi also, Mr. Patnaik also, we want to inform the Honorable Supreme Court and High Court also to use the recording of the court for the promotional, for the educational purpose of the young lawyers. So, is it possibility?
But it should be done very carefully because all useless things are said in court also.
Yes.
That should not be transmitted to the
Selected.
only important constitutional cases argued by fairly good lawyers. Not all arguments are not to be transmitted. Actually, recording of entire proceedings
Entire proceeding not possible.
not good.
We take some clips only.
Not good.
Not good.
People know this is how the Supreme Court functions.
Yes.
There may be useless situations also.
तो सर हम सर फ्यूचर में एक सर सेशन करेंगे ऑफ 1000 स्टूडेंट्स ऑनलाइन more than 1000 students will appear, join the courses online, and I will
on what subject?
Subject as per choice of my lordship.
No, you suggest a subject. On what subject?
So we will set up a online system here for recording. आपको एक लेक्चर देना है सर यंग लायर्स के लिए,
No problem.
कभी कोर्ट प्लीडिंग के या ड्राफ्टिंग पे या क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन या बेल मैटर और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मैटर और कंपनी मैटर.
Last week I got about one college in Ghaziabad. Oh my God.
मेवाड़ लॉ कॉलेज.
Imtaz College.
इम्ताज. अच्छा.
One student was
आप लंदन भी गए सर, मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने आपको वहाँ वेलकम किया था, रेनू. जब आप लंदन एक बार लास्ट टाइम लॉन्ग बैक.
Here they wanted a criminal law, so criminal law, what?
Sir, I received many mails from Maharashtra, sir. Interior part of Maharashtra, धुलिया, पुणे. तो मैंने अपने मेल पे सर्कुलेट किया था. उन्होंने भी कहा कि ट्राई फॉर जस्टिस बालाकृष्णन ऑल्सो. तो बिकॉज पीपल जिन्होंने आपको देखा नहीं है कभी, बट आपका नाम सुना है, आपका रिसर्च वर्क किया है, तो उनको लगता है सर कि ह्यूमनिज्म के लिए आपका सर क्राइटेरिया बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है.
Yesterday, some people from college literary still they want to have a legal marathon research for 5 days participating, and they want to start in my name.
Sir, you are living legend, sir.
I said, "Oh, please don't use it. People will think I have passed away."
No, sir. Sir,
So they were there. They will. So now they.
not like that, sir. Not like. Sir, you are living legend from us, sir.
Class can be, you can select a subject.
I will select a subject.
Otherwise, generally talk not useful.
No, sir,
Even cross-examination.
Cross-examination.
It can be on the day, because people do not know what is FIR, what is 161 statement, how 161 statement is used in cross-examination, how the re-examination, what is the use of re-examination.
What is different with leading question, non-leading question?
They do not know.
They don't know, sir.
So they
They don't know art of the cross examination. Only few people are in India and Delhi who know the actual cross examination.
I think after Jethmalani, criminal law is almost
No, yes.
dead. It's
आप राम जेठमलानी सिद्धार्थ लुथरा ने कुछ किया था बीच में,
हाँ,
बट ये नॉलेज ट्रांसफर नहीं करते हैं, डिलीवर नहीं करते हैं जूनियर्स को.
हाँ. Jethmalani was a very intelligent lawyer.
तो उस समय मैं डेट फिक्स करके आपको इन्फॉर्म करता हूँ सर. और सर मेरे सर वी नीड योर ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर आवर दिस लॉ लर्निंग बेंच.
I'm very happy to know that Mr. Midlesh Pandey has initiated the law learning bench to educate the lawyers, the young lawyers, how to behave in court, how to approach, deal with the cases, how the profession can be improved. And that is a great endeavor on his part. The law learning bench is that is how he said that that will go a long way in helping the young lawyers to become the best lawyers in this country. That our legal system is one of the best in the world, and it is we have to improve the quality, standard, and the ethics of that profession. So that is absolutely essential that this sort of training is imparted to the members of the legal profession. Youngsters must know how to behave in court, how to deal with the clients, and how to lead their clients to the channels of wisdom. That is what the Felix Frankfurter told his students. What is the main purpose of a lawyer? That is how this law learning bench will be a torchbearer in this regard, and it will go a long way, and all should cooperate with him, so that with this endeavor, law learning bench would be a great success. I am fully in favor of this, and I will extend my cooperation, and whatever time available I will spend on this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.